Aries is the other name for karma. People call them unpredictable, but let's be real. They are karma in human form. You don't get away with hurting them. You don't get away with lying to them. You don't get away with using them. They are the silent watchers, the ones who listen more than they speak, the ones who already know your next move before you even make it. They are the storm that arrives when you thought you had played them. And the worst part, you'll never see it coming. You think you got away. That's cute. Aries doesn't take revenge with anger. They do it with time. They will walk away like nothing happened, like you meant nothing, like your existence was just a passing shadow in their universe. And that's where their karma begins. Because while you're sitting there thinking you won, they've already set the stage for your downfall. It won't be instant, it won't be loud, it will be slow, poetic, and absolutely brutal. Aries don't chase, they don't beg, they don't scream for attention. If they cut you off, you cease to exist. They are the masters of detachment, the architects of cold, calculated justice. They will watch from a distance as life starts, treating you exactly how you treated them. It's not magic. It's not coincidence. It's just the balance of the universe playing out through them. They are the mirror that reflects every intention back at the center. Lie to a Aries. Watch how your own lies will be the rope that hangs you. Betray them. Watch your trust in others crumble like dust. Take them for granted. Get ready to feel the emptiness of losing someone who was irreplaceable. And here's the real terror. When it happens, you won't even be able to blame them. They won't have lifted a single finger. Your downfall will come from your own choices. And by the time you realize it, you'll already be drowning. People think Aries are heartless, but the truth is they're just done being played with. They are not here to be your emotional punching bag. They are not here to tolerate disrespect. You either treat them right, or you step into the fire of their karmic energy, and trust this. No one walks out of that fire the same. So Aries people, do you agree with me? If yes, comment your birthdays below.